In this video, I will show you 5 different ways to fix your Windows 10 or 11 from freezing or lagging randomly. For the first method, type on your Windows search bar CMD. Then right-click this and select Run as Administrator. The command prompt will pop up. Then type sfc/scan now on the command prompt and hit Enter. The scan will take a bit of time, so be patient and let it finish. For the second method, go to the search bar and type File Explorer. Click on File Explorer. On the left side, scroll down and select your This PC. Then, right-click your C drive and select Properties. Next, go to the Tools tab. Then select Check and Scan Drive to scan your computer for potential corrupted files. This may take a while, so you can move on to other methods while this is going on. For the third method, go to the search bar and type Settings. From there, select the System tab. Then, look for the Storage option and click on it. Make sure the Storage Sense option is toggled on. Then, click on the tab itself. Scroll down and click on Run Storage Sense Now button. Next, go back to the previous page and select Temporary Files. This is where all your additional files are stored. Select all the folders that you want to delete. I recommend adding the Recycle bin too. Then, click on the Remove Files button and hit Continue. This will take a while, depending on how large the files are. You can move on to the next method while waiting. For the fourth method, type Services on the search bar. Click on it and a menu will pop up. Select any icon and then press the S key. You want to search for System Main. Right-click it and choose Properties. On this menu, press the Stop button under Service Status. Then, on Startup Sync option, select Disabled. Click on Apply, and you are done. For the fifth method, type Virus on the search bar. Click on it and choose Scan Options. From there, go ahead and select Full Scan and select the Scan Now button. It will take a while, so be patient. After that, scroll down and choose the Microsoft Defender Antivirus option. Click on the Scan Now button and select Scan. Doing all these stops will keep your Windows from freezing or lagging.